start. We must be prepared to make whatever sacrifices are needed to implement the 10th plan. Therefore, I submit is starting with these two assumptions, namely that the plan target has got to be implemented, and secondly, the deficit financing has got to be avoided, both in the interest of the economy as well as of progress. We are left with only one option, is to impose taxes. I know that our present finance minister, Dr. Manmohan Singh, is a man of conviction, and what is more important, has the courage of his conviction. That is why I think in living memory he is the one finance minister who has come out with this bold and courageous plan of imposing taxes to the tune of rupees 1000 crore in one single year. The imposed tax of the dimension of rupees 1000 crores in one single year requires tremendous courage, and I must congratulate him for the step that he has taken, because it was the least that any finance minister could do, faced as he was with the circumstances which I have just narrated. Paragraph change. With the imposition of these taxes, the uncovered deficit dwindles down from rupees 500 crores. That itself is a great help. I believe the government should take immediate steps when we are taking very drastic measures to tax every sector of society, from the rich to the poor. It becomes a duty. Parachate. In fact, a trust that the money that we raise in is spent as carefully and as economically as possible. In the general election, I too had, along with other honorable members of our party and other parties also, to go into the country, to the village and towns and everywhere. The people did not mind these taxes, but the grievance is that some of the money, or a lot of money, is being wasted. There was the grievance with regard to corruption on the lower levels of the officialdom, and what is more, that there was considerable wastage. Every official, even a small official, seems to be having a jeep or a Maruti and is running about burning petrol and spending on TA, etc. And the work is being rushed through in the months of February and March in order that the grant may not lapse, as if the taxpayers' money were meant to be sacrificed ruthlessly and mercilessly whatever happens. Therefore, it becomes necessary for the government, both at the center and in the states at all levels, to see that all the money raised and spent in these plans is fully utilized